Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to generate random text on MS Word. So guys, to generate random text, very easy and simple method. Just type equal sign. Now type RAND. Now this symbol left and right. So type this shortcut equal sign RAND and this symbol, then press enter. So like this we can generate a random text. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to generate random text using MS Word shortcut. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.